And newcomers to Hibertonian
congregation. Welcome them.
So, high secondary. With an Adivasi Gamcha and a token of gift. We also welcome in our midst Reverend. Continue your clapping hands will be less. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. A book we are presenting so that she is very interested to learn Kokoro. And in that book, there is an English version as well as Kokoro version of what Jesus said.
Popularly known as Don Bosco, was born on 16th August 1815 in a small town called Fiori. It is in Italy. So 206th birth anniversary of the Jamaica, okay. I think he looks a bit like a Negro, black. Because we know that Jamaica or West Indies is totally dominated by the black people. So he looks quite black. And just let me just ask him to introduce himself. Your name, my dear friend?
My name is Godly Ambrose.
He said that his name is Godly Ambrose. You know who is Godly Ambrose? He has taken the name of Godly Ambrose. I think those who are interested in watching cricket match, you will be Godly Ambrose. He played after 1996 Cricket World Cup. He was a fast bowler, along with a good name was Godly Ambrose. So since he
Heard to say, being a student for celebrating Don Bosco's birthday come freshers, right? And I'm really thankful to God and Father Joel for giving me the opportunity in this beautiful program to come and join with you all. And being a youth member, and today I won't take a long time for speech. And first of all, I would like to congratulate to all the freshers who have come here today, and I'll pray for your bright future.
put our hands together for them. So they are the freshers for this 2021 Don Bosco Higher Secondary School. They are being welcomed by Miss Veronica, Miss Alicia Tripura, Miss Ritika, Miss Kumtea, Miss Tripti. They're all dressed in blue traditional dress. I think Miss Parmita will be very much happy to see them wearing their traditional dress. For them.
And it coincides with the birthday of Don Bosco, our father and our founder. I say our father and founder because we, the Salesian fathers and sisters, it is Don Bosco who founded our congregations. So we belong to the same family. The students, you could see a small house is just there, and our fathers are living here. Therefore, we are in the same family, the same society. So God has brought me here to be here today to join with you on this great occasion. And I'm also happy to be here. This is my first time coming to Tripura. After a number of years of my life as a religious person, working for the church and working for the people, and my superiors sent me here to work in this place, particularly in Mandai, at Mandai. So I'm happy to be here, and I officially appointed as the animator or leader of the House of Auxilium Convent, Mandai. At the same time, I'm also happy that I will be with you here in the school, teaching you and helping you in whatever I can. Sir asked me, what is your feedback? My feedback is that very good. I liked very beautiful and colorful boys and girls. As I came this morning, I saw 2 girls were standing at the gate at the entrance. And that is a sign of they welcome for each and everyone who come to this program. I only heard about Tripura is a nice place, colorful place, good people, lovely people. I was in Garo Hills for a number of years, and I enjoyed my life there, walking among the Garos. And now I'm sure I will also enjoy walking with you as tribal people. When I came here, the second day I met Father, I asked Father, kindly give me a book, Kokborok book, because I would like to learn the language. I learned Garo quite well, and I hope I will also learn Kokborok. Yesterday I went to the village with Father for one church service. I understood here and there because few words of Garos also is the same like of your language Kokborok. It may not be 100%, but I am sure to some extent I will learn. Depends on my duration, how long my superiors wish me to stay here. So if I stay longer, I am...
Students, do you know a student has a big responsibilities? Do you know? Yes. You have to be responsible students, because you should make your school proud, number 1. Number 2, you should make your teachers proud. Number 3, your parents proud as well. And a society proud. Yes or no? Yes. Will you make our society proud? Yes. Okay. Where am I? Okay. I was talking about 3 S and 3 P's. S, S, S and 3 P, P, P. The first S is set a goal. Alright? As your Sir Suhail has told you, right? But I would like to prolong it a little bit. Set a goal first. Now what do you do when you set a goal? Just setting a goal, is it enough? No. You have to strive. That is second S. Strive means what? Trying. So when you try to fulfill your goal, ultimately succeed. So the 3 S, S, S. Okay? Whatever you do, whatever you like, do it. But do it with your passion. Just love your work, as am I. I love singing. And today I'm here talking and giving you a small speech, even though I am not that good in giving a speech like Father, like, a politicians, but I'm just trying a little bit. Father's lost. Okay? Alright. So you got my point with 3 S, S, S? Yeah. What are they? Number 1, set a goal. And what do you have to do to reach your goal? Strive, which means trying. Right? And what is the last one? Succeed, ultimately. So the 3 S is completed. And again, let's go to the 3 P, P, P. The 3 P's. Alright? First is what? Planning. Alright? For an example, the school has planned for this beautiful day. Yes? Yes. Is it enough only planning? No. No. We have to prepare. So planning is 1 P. And preparing is the other P. Right? We have to prepare for this day, isn't it? Yes. Father has prepared. And even you also. And the 3rd P is prioritize. Which means what? What is the meaning of prioritize? Decisions will definitely lead to your future. Alright? Yes. Okay. So, I believe that we have got an excellent set of students here, and by seeing your previous mark sheets, the father also shared your metric marks, so I'm really very excited, and you all are, future good citizens of India. This Don Bosco preparing a good citizens of India, and so many of you are, desiring of to become an IAS advocate. This is just for this stage, or you are going to be in your future. Whoever wants to become IAS, no. If you have already set a goal, you have to prepare it from now onwards. Not just simply coming and telling, I know I want to do this, I want to become that. That is not just simply enough. So what you have to do? Your goal. And number 2, strive. Number 3, succeed. And the other 3 P's, planning, preparing, and prioritizing. Okay, thank you so much, and may God bless you all. And I hope everyone will be proud of your school, your teachers, and your parents, and all the citizens of India. Thank you so much, and may God.
Father and friend of youth. And today we are happy to have Miss Paramita Riang, who is also so young and energetic. Okay, and on this day, as we celebrate 206th birth anniversary of Don Bosco, we are really happy to have you, Miss Paramita Riang, for your presence, for your encouraging presence to our young people here. They are also very much interested to sing, dance, and all the more every type of activities in our school. So we are happy to have you. And this year we are again happy that we got young and energetic sister, looking very young. Okay, so we are happy to have you, Sister Victoria. Okay, because youngness is in the mind. Okay, age may be going, but you are looking so young. And we welcome in our midst our guests, both, and with him I have been quite close because he comes from Lankapura village name, which comes under Don Bosco Baijalbari Parish, St. John Paul Parish. So as a youth also he had worked there very actively, and that's how he is very close to all the young people. So on this day when we celebrate Don Bosco's birthday, we are really happy to have young and energetic leader. So once again, I am happy that you have come here, and you can see our young minds, young people here are also delighted to have you, and they want to make you all the more happy with their performances. Okay. Likewise, I'm very much happy to have today Mr. Ranjit Devarma, very close to me also and to our institution. From the time I met him in Borok Paramedical Institute Technology in Kumulung, from that time onwards, he is close to me and close to us to bring development. And today also taking extra care to go around and see what can be done. So already they are taking initiative to develop our society, our institution. For that, let's give a round of applause.
Tini rana kusum de borma botabo hadarum hana bor bansi tambai ko Robindra Dev Borma Samasaran Tripura even am jokhon te silai be choga khaipuro MC Dev Borma bothang ang malaika Devabor to kolo ithangai ang chitagang 7 din tangitha bo phaina naima niya boro kosto khai khub khirogoi ma rohoka yakung romane haikai onek kisu dek rong koi bono rohoka ebono bothi mane dinani mukti klayo ani muituni mukti ya dino kelai thagini buni kokno basaya dino bihi kebagi kabo nini dada anu ko phunu bo de anu rom dit pai rohona ne ade no tabu bo dini no jotno khaibo khatu ta kaino di laibo go o Don Bosco school oro je achai timani omo kaisa struggle thai boro somsa paikya ango Don Bosco school ha painani theke oro tamo boroni problem kha ang siwo ang khanajak ahaibano father songni bukhakara bomi kitchen gosia ni bagai tini Don Bosco school musik musangkha ar o musangjak school ni pandawo tini amo father jewel ni bai khema bai ang tini no mai ke mankha omoni laibuma langmani hatu ka khai kolokma sanani thangkai tebo tongo angoro tebo sanani musungo chini bororo rignai borok bai kani school ma thangya sing TSF khalayo sing sawri ganai borok bai ma pore ma school ma rohonai bisuloga Agortolani children park abagi singaro tongo abagi rajani dorbar mat tongmani aro kaisa no tongman abon sabai jaga ta sukant academic khlaijaka ang siwano ro hekai chingaro andolon khlaiman diganai borono tini kanna ni bagai school ro college ro sin sujug manka norok tini diganai kanne busik sinai thor busik sin san baika omoronu lu khakai chini andolon khaimani TSF pro ni pogro no tu mano kono somoy mukte klayo kono somoyo monijaki aboni bagino takubro norok abo norok chini next generation norok chini future norok no tui chini wan sumani norok no tui chini thina norok no tui chini buska ba bongai aboni bagai norok ani cherai ni pogno kisa sana ni musungo ani cherai onek kosto khaye ak jokhonte 2012 saner Rwgwi kebo korikha.
Put our hands together for them. So they are the freshers for this 2021 Don Bosco Higher Secondary School. They are being welcomed by Miss Veronica, Miss Alicia Tripura, Miss Ritika, Miss Kumtea, Miss Tripti. They're all dressed in blue traditional dress. I think Miss Parmita will be very much happy to see them wearing their traditional dress. For them.